Imagine someone asks, "How long have you been learning English?" And you reply, "I have been learning English since I was 10." This response is a classic example of the present perfect continuous tense. It reflects actions or situations that began in the past and are still continuing in the present. But why do we use this tense? And how does it fit into the grand timeline of English tenses? The present perfect continuous tense combines aspects of both the present and the past. It's used to indicate an action that started at some point in the past and has been ongoing until now. The structure of this tense is straightforward. It uses have or has, followed by been, and then the present participle of the verb, which is the verb with an ing ending. For example, she has been working here for 3 years. This sentence tells us that she started working here 3 years ago and is still working here now. This tense is particularly useful for emphasizing the duration of an activity or the process of an action rather than the completion. Now, where does this tense sit on the timeline of English tenses? It's part of the perfect aspect, which relates past actions to the present. The present perfect continuous specifically helps bridge the gap between the past and the present, focusing on activities that extend over a period of time up to the present. Scene script are 5 examples to clarify this further. 1. I've been reading this book for 2 weeks. They have been traveling since last month. 3. He has been studying hard for his exams. 4. We have been renovating the kitchen. She has been practicing piano every day for a year. These examples show how the present perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions that started in the past but are still relevant and ongoing in the present. To test your understanding, consider these 5 exercises. 1. Complete the sentence, John work on the project since February. What is the correct form? She learned French for 2 years. 3. Rewrite in present perfect continuous. They started playing football 1 hour ago. Fill in the blanks. We look for her lost ring all morning. 5. Turn into a question. You have been watching TV since noon. The solutions. 1. John has been working on the project since February. She has been learning French for 2 years. They have been playing football for 1 hour. We have been looking for her lost ring all morning. Have you been watching TV since noon? In summary, the present perfect continuous tense serves a unique role in English. It links past actions to the present, emphasizing the duration and ongoing nature of activities. It's structured with have or has, followed by been, and the ing form of the main verb. This tense not only tells us what has been happening, but also for how long it has been happening, providing a continuous connection between past and present activities. By mastering this tense, one can effectively communicate durations and ongoing actions with precision, enriching both spoken and written English.